Hi everyone, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, we'll take a look at what is a 404 error page and how to create a custom 404 page for your WordPress website. So let's get started. So if you go to Wikipedia, we can see that the HTTP 404 error is an HTTP standard response code, and it is there to indicate that the browser was able to communicate with the given server, but the server could not find what was requested. So let's take a look at an example. So here we have a website called liveblogger.local, and let's go to the third post in our website. And here we see that this is the main domain of our website, and this is the complete URL. So if you type this exact URL on the browser, then you will land on this page. But if you make a mistake in this, for example, if you add an extra S, we can see that it throws a 404 error. So this 404 error is already designed in this theme. So every theme has a different 404 page. So whenever the visitor enters a URL that is not available on your website, the server responds with a 404 error. Now, if you don't have a custom 404 error page for your website, then it can increase the bounce rate of your pages and thus result in lower rankings in Google. So what you can do is go ahead and create a custom 404 page and provide some meaningful message over here, and also a list of your pages and anything you can add over here, so that it would be a good experience for the visitor even if a 404 error was returned. So this can help you reduce the bounce rate a little. So let's go ahead and create our own custom 404 page for our website. So let's go to the dashboard, and we will use a plugin to create our 404 page. So let's go to plugin and click on add new, and just type 404 error. Now install this plugin called 404 page your smart custom 404 error page. We can see it has more than 100,000 active installations and it has a 5-star rating. Alright, now activate your plugin. So here we have our 404 page plugin, and let's go to the settings, and here we see that we have to select a page to be displayed as the 404 page. So right now we haven't created any 404 page, so we have these existing pages displayed over here, and then we have some advanced options over here. So you can go ahead and make changes and see what happens, but we'll just leave it as it is. And here you have some tutorials as well. So first of all, let's go ahead and create a page. So click on pages, add new. So let's just type 404 page not found. First of all, let's add an image. So we'll click on this add image button. We'll go to pixabay.com and we'll search for 404 error, and let's go ahead and choose this image, and we'll just copy the image address and we'll paste it over here. Then we can start typing something over here. So we'll type sorry, this page was not found. So here you can add the links of your articles. So I'll just add the link of one article. So I'll just copy this URL from here, and we'll just add a heading. We'll just select the heading 3, and here we will type awesome article, and we'll just turn this into a link. So here we'll paste the URL. Alright, so this is our basic custom 404 page, and you can add a lot of things over here. So we'll just add one more thing. We'll just add a search box. Alright, so now let's go ahead and publish this page. Our page has been published. Now we need to set this page as the error page on the plugin. So to access the plugin, you can go to appearance and click on 404 error page, and here you can select our 404 page. So let's go ahead and select the 404 page not found and click on save. So now let's go ahead and refresh our page, and we can see this custom 404 page that we created, and we have the search box, the link of this article, and everything is displayed correctly. So this is how you create a custom 404 page for your website. Now if you go to any random URL on your website, you'll be displayed this custom 404 page. You can even show your creativity in the 404 error page. A lot of websites use the 404 page in creative ways. So here I am on dribble.com, and if you search for 404, we can see a list of a lot of 404 pages over here. So you can create 404 pages according to the theme of your website. So here's a cool example of a 404 page. We have this animation and this awesome title over here. And then here we have another 404 page. So you can go through this and you'll get some idea to create your own 404 page. So that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below, and click on the like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.